Hello everyone, Innovative Nobel, good morning. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Nobel Environment Academy. Myself Manjit Patel, your science teacher. Now we are going to start our online classes. Hope you will stay with me till end of my classes. Now we are going to read our new chapter, Unit 6, which name is Life Process. Life Process. Before we begin, living beings take food, they breathe, they excrete, they reproduce, they transport various substances from one part of the body to another. They transport various substances from one part of the body to another. These activities are called life process. Those activities which are performed by living beings to survive are called life process. Life process means those activities which are performed by living beings to survive are called life process. For example, growth, nutrition, respiration, excretion, internal transport, sensitivity, reproduction, etc. Now, all of you, please turn your page number 54. I hope you all have turned your page number 54, life process. Life process are essential for survival of living beings. Life processes are essential for survival of living beings. Living beings takes food, they breathe, they excrete, they transport material from one part of the body to another. Similarly, they reproduce their own kinds. These activities are known as life process. Which activities? Taking food, taking breath, excrete and transport material from one part to another body. These activities are called life process. Growth, nutrition, respiration, digestion, excretion, internal transport, sensitivity, reproduction, etc. are the life processes that occur in living organism. These things occur in living organism. So, life process are those activities. Which are performed by living beings for survival. Life process are those activities which are performed by living beings for survival is known as life process. In this unit, we will study some common life process like nutrition, respiration, internal transport, excretion, reproduction, and internal relationship between living beings and environment. Number 1, we are going to read about nutrition. All plants and animals take food to survive. We know that the living beings need food for what? For survive. Food provides energy to grow and perform various metabolic activities. Food provides energy to grow and perform various metabolic activities. Food consists of different nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral, etc. The chemical substance that an organism needs to survive are called nutrition. The chemical substance that an organism needs to survive are called nutrition. The chemical substance that an organism needs to survive are called nutrition. They supply materials for they supply materials for growth, development and protection against disease. They supply materials for growth, development and protection against disease. This process by which plants and animals obtain food and utilize nutrition present in food is called nutrition. Here is the definition. The process by which plants and animals obtain food and utilize nutrition present in food is called nutrition. Here you can see the living organisms taking food for survival. For example, goat is eating grass, Bell's fly trapped in trapping an insect, tiger is eating flesh, fish is eating food. Now, what are the modes of nutrition? Living beings show two types of nutrition. Living beings show two types of nutrition, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Number one is autotrophic nutrition and number second is heterotrophic nutrition. Number one, in autotrophic nutrition, green plants contain green pigment called chlorophylls. We know that green plants contain green pigment which is known as chlorophyll, so that they can prepare their own food by photosynthesis. So that the plant which obtain chlorophylls, they can produce their food on by help of photosynthesis. Green plant use carbon dioxide. Green plant use carbon dioxide, water in presence of sunlight during photosynthesis. This process is known as photosynthesis. This green plants is taking carbon dioxide, and in the water from the ground it takes water, and from the presence of sunlight it makes their food, which is known as photosynthesis. Here all green plants are called autotrophs. All green plants are called autotrophic. Why all green plants are known as autotrophic? Here is the answer. They can prepare their own food and their mode of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. All plants are known as autotrophic because they can prepare their own food. All plants are called autotrophic as they can prepare own food and their mode of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. What do you mean by autotrophic nutrition? The mode of nutrition which the green plants can prepare their own food is called autotrophic nutrition. And number second is heterotrophic nutrition. Number second is heterotrophic nutrition. Non-green plant like mushroom, yeast, mochor, etc. and all animals cannot prepare their own food. These organisms depends on green plants direct or indirectly to obtain food. These heterotrophic animals depend upon green plants directly or indirectly to obtain food. So the organism that cannot prepare their own food, are called heterotrophs. The organisms that cannot prepare their own food are called heterotrophs and their mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Their mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. For example, mushroom, yeast, mocha, human, goat, cow, sheep, frog, snake, rat, tiger, elephant, etc. are the examples of heterotrophic. On the basics of nature of food, heterotrophs may be herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, spirophytes or parasites. On the basis of nature of food, heterotrophics may be herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, spirophytes or parasites. The animals that feed only on green plants are called herbivorous. The animals that feed only on green plants are called herbivorous. Example: cow, rabbit, elephant, deer, grasshopper, goat, sheep, etc. The animals that feed on flesh of the other animals are called carnivorous. Example: tiger, lion, snake, vulture, crocodile, etc. The animals that feed on both plant and animal are called omnivorous animals. For example, human, dog, cat, bear, crow, fox, etc. And spirophytes are the non-green plants. Spirophytes are the non-green plants that feed on decay and decaying matter. Example: mushroom, yeast, mocha, etc. Similarly, the organism like mosquito, beaviour, roundworm, tapeworm, louse, etc. that feed on the blood of the other organism are called parasite. Similarly, the organism like mosquito, beaviour, roundworm, tapeworm, louse, etc. that feed on the blood of other organisms are called parasite. These are the examples of parasites, and these are the examples of spirophytes. Now, class 5, I am going to give you the homework. The homework is answer the following question. Number A, define life process with 2 examples. Define life process with any 2 examples. Number B is, what are nutritions? What is meant by nutrition? What are nutritions? What do you mean by nutrition? What are autotrophics? What are autotrophics? Define autotrophic nutrition. And number D is, what are heterotrophics? Define heterotrophic nutrition. If you have done your homework, please send your homework in School Messenger or Max Connect app. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. Please like, share and comment us.